Lost communication with the electronic brake control module. And the engine control module is reporting that. Everybody's freaking out and saying, what the heck? Where the heck is the ABS module? Alright, 2013 Chevy Equinox. Customers concerned that the ABS light is on. Let me see what I'm getting over here. Yeah, we got a Christmas trees going here, and Christmas is over. So let's see what the heck is going on here. Let me go and grab the scanner. Let me see what code I get here. Oh, you look at that. All right, let me see the list. Okay. Lost communication with the electronic brake control module. And the engine control module is reporting that. So let's keep scrolling. Oh look, the TCM is reporting the same. No communication with the ABS. The power steering control module, same thing. The body control module. Everybody's freaking out and saying, what the heck? Where the heck is the ABS module? So let's see. Let me see if I can actually communicate with the ABS control module. Where is it? Oh look, it's on the brake control module. Device unable to communicate with the control unit. So we definitely don't have communication with the ABS control module. So I guess it's time to look at the wiring diagram and see what are the main feeds to the ABS control unit. But let me, before I do that, take a quick look and see, perform a quick visual inspection. See if that will lead me anywhere. Let's see. The ABS control module is right there under this fuse box, which is just awesome. You know, gotta love engineers. That's kind of hard to access. But let me see, maybe I can move this thing and test directly at the ABS control module. Let me see. All right, good thing I can move the fuse box out of the way. But there's not much room to test there. Yeah, let me take a look at the wiring diagram. Oh, before taking a look at the wiring diagram, wanted to mention that the seats, it's not working either. The power seat is not working, it's not responding. It's not moving at all. So something else that I need to check. So here's our ABS module. We got a ground and we got two power feeds coming from these two fuses, and we also got these communication lines over here. But I'm gonna start with the simple stuff. Let's start by checking fuses. I was thinking about going and testing directly at the ABS unit, but that would be a waste of time because it could be just as simple as a fuse. So I'm gonna start by checking this 20 amp fuse. And let me see where is this 20 amp fuse. Oh, this 20 amp fuse is on the in the fuse box on the hood. So which is the box we just moved. So let me go and look at it. So let me remove the cover. This okay. So it was fuse 16. Fuse 16 is this one right here, which is supposed to be next to a 30 amp fuse. Well, when you look at that, this is where fuse 16 is supposed to be, and it's missing. So someone has been here. So let me see if I can find a fuse. Well, I couldn't find exactly a 20 amp fuse, the one that's supposed to be in there. But just for testing purposes, I'm gonna use this 30 amp just momentarily. Of course, I'm not leaving that there. Well, I just wanna see if I'm able to clear the code. Let's go back in here. Start it up. Ah! When you look at that. So that was simple. Was just a fuse. So the question is why? Where did that fuse went? You know? I guess we will never know that. So now, let me see if the power seat is fixed. Well, still nothing. But have something else going on. Let's go put back to the diagram and see what's feeding the power seat. So here's our power seat. We got this motor that adjusts the vertical position, and then this is the main feed. We got this ground, and this is the main feed. It's a 30 amp fuse. Which is also located in the fuse box. Let's go. So number 6 is supposed to be over here. What the heck? Another fuse missing? Look. Yeah. That 30 amp fuse supposed to be here, and it's missing. So we got another 30 amp fuse, but this is not the one that's supposed to be in there. Again, like the other one we installed, it's gonna be just here momentarily, just for testing purposes. Okay, let me go back in here, see what we get. Will you look at that? Yeah, it was all about missing fuses today. So no fancy test with the scope, just missing fuses, I guess. So I guess what's the takeaway? I guess the takeaway is start with the basics. It could be just as simple as a missing fuse. So hope you all like this video. and see you all in the next one.